so much for coming out and supporting us with the 23 Restoration Classic Challenge with our 930 Turbo RWB style. We had a phenomenal time. We had great conversations. It was truly epic, remarkable to see everyone come out and walk over the car and walk around and ask questions and videos and all generations. You could just see the passion that was there. And that's what this truly is all about. Unfortunately, we didn't walk away with an award, but that's not going to get us down. We're going to come back super strong next year. And I think you're really going to like what we got in store for you. So follow us on our page, Porsche Delaware. Check us out on Instagram, and we look forward to seeing you next year. Thanks so much, Chicago.